Hello, Golden Eagles. Welcome to OneDrive for Students. In this video, I will go over what OneDrive is, how to save files to OneDrive, how to access OneDrive files, and how to submit OneDrive files to Canvas assignments. This video references the desktop versions of the Office 365 software. This software is free to all West Hills College students. Visit the link in the description box below to learn how to install the software to a personal device. OneDrive is an online storage tool. Many of you have heard of Google Drive. Well, OneDrive is the same thing but for Microsoft. It's a place where you can store your files and make them available anywhere you have an internet connection. Have you ever lost your flash drive or been unable to work on an assignment because all your files are saved on a different computer? Well, those scenarios are no longer an issue with OneDrive. Connecting your files to OneDrive also enables the autosave feature. Gone are the days of forgetting to save your work. Maintain internet connection and OneDrive will autosave regularly as you work. There are different ways to save files to OneDrive. I will go over two of those ways. First, if you have a file that you already have saved somewhere, you can upload it to your OneDrive by doing the following. Open your OneDrive by logging into your student portal, clicking on Virtual Desk, then scrolling down and clicking on the OneDrive button found in the Office 365 section here on the right. Once you are in OneDrive, click the Upload button, then click Files. Click on the file you want to upload, then click the Open button. You can also just double-click the file. And that's it. Now your file is available anywhere you can access your OneDrive. Notice that you can also create new files from this same page using various Office 365 software like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The second method you could use is to save a file to OneDrive just like you would save it on your computer. You may need to sign into your Microsoft account before having access to these options. Work on your document as you normally would with any of the Office 365 software. In this example, I'm using the PowerPoint I created for this video. Enabling autosave in the top left-hand corner will automatically save the file to OneDrive. If you are working with a new document, you can also click on the save icon next to the autosave option. Make sure the location is set to OneDrive, name your file, then click Save. If you want to save a copy of the file you are working on to OneDrive, click File, then click Save As. On the left-hand side, select OneDrive, then click Save. Accessing your files is just as easy as saving them. Again, there are many methods to access your files, but I will go over two specific ways. First, you can access your OneDrive the same way that was shown earlier, which is through the virtual desk on your student portal. Once you are in your OneDrive, simply click on the file you want to open, and it will open in your web browser using the web version of the Office 365 software. You can also open the file using the desktop version of the Office 365 software. Navigate to the Open section by clicking on the File button at the top left, then clicking Open. Once you are in the Open section, click on the OneDrive option to access your files. OneDrive files can be submitted to assignments that allow file uploads. You can check the submitting information to be sure. Click the Start Assignment button. Notice the many submission options you have. This part may not make sense, but you are going to ignore this OneDrive for Business tab. Instead, click on the Office 365 tab. This will access your OneDrive. My drive is not connecting because I am in Student View as an instructor, but with Movie Magic, I will switch over to my student account. Now my OneDrive is connecting. Just check the box next to the file you want to submit, then click the Attach File button at the bottom right, then click the Submit Assignment button. That is all for this video. I hope you are now at least a little bit more comfortable with using OneDrive. Thank you for watching.